This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. These are 5 stories that we're following today, and thank you for joining us on the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. At any time that you have a suggestion for a subject or a topic, please feel free to text Scott Becker 773-766-5322. First, the markets have had 2 good days in a row and look up today on good inflation news. The producer price index came in a little bit lower than expected, their inflation, and then the CPI also came in a little bit as well or as good as expected, and that's really good news. This has led the markets to jump yesterday and today. The expectation is that this will pave the way for Fed rate cuts in September, something a lot of the business community is looking for. Second, we did a full podcast yesterday on the subject of leadership matters. And that's a discussion of the CEO, the 50-year-old CEO of Chipotle, leaving for Starbucks. On that news, Starbucks jumped 24%, Chipotle dropped 7.5%. So fascinating to watch. You can listen to that podcast on that at Becker Private Equity and Business, and just a pleasure to record that. The third story we're really following today, Wayfair, what was the online furniture retailer, jumped 10% yesterday. They've opened a store near us. So far, we've bought 1 living room table from them that I actually like a great deal and at the right price. We did get the white glove special service. We wouldn't have to do like an IKEA thing and put it together ourselves, but overall, fantastic. Fourth, RH, Restoration Hardware, also jumped yesterday. It seems like the first time in a while. They rose 6%. RH is one of these stores, love to shop at, love to hate as well, somewhere in between. Finally, a similar story with Nike. Nike's been taking it just on the chin, down 27% year to date. But yesterday, they rose 5% on hopes that they're coming back. Also, a lot of news and discussion about whether they should also make a CEO change. So fascinating to watch there, too. Thank you again for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Again, 773-766-5322. Send us topics, send us ideas. Looking forward to visiting with you. Thank you so much.